This is Math. Welcome to the technical analysis of Larsen Toubro Limited. LT.NS is an industrials company with Rs 5.3 trillion. Over the past 3 years, the stock has gained 79.9%. We will break down 4 key indicators: moving averages, Bollinger Bands, RSI, and MACD, because every line on this chart is a formula. Let us start with moving averages, the foundation of trend analysis. A simple moving average smooths price noise by averaging the last N closing prices. SMA 20 tracks the short-term trend. SMA 50 tracks the medium-term trend. The exponential moving average gives more weight to recent prices, so it reacts faster to new information. The key rule: when price is above the 50-period average, the trend is up. When below, the trend is down. A golden cross, the fast average crossing above the slow one, is one of the strongest buy signals in technical analysis. Larsen Toubro Limited is currently at Rs 3,950. The SMA 20 is at 4,030, and the SMA 50 is at 3,745. Price is above the 50-period average, indicating a confirmed uptrend. Watch how the moving averages act as dynamic support and resistance throughout the 3 years of price history shown here. Next, Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands place envelopes 2 standard deviations above and below the 20-period moving average. When the bands are squeezed narrow, volatility is low and a big move is building. When the bands are wide, the stock is already in a high volatility phase. Touching the upper band signals the stock is stretched, potentially overbought. Touching the lower band signals the stock is oversold, a potential bounce. The band width percentage tells you exactly how volatile the market is right now. Here is the Bollinger Band chart for Larsen Toubro Limited. The shaded region breathes in and out with volatility. Currently, the bands show wide volatility at 16.7%. The price is inside the bands, consolidating. Notice how the price repeatedly bounces between upper and lower bands over this 3-year period. Each touch of a band is a signal. Now the RSI, or Relative Strength Index. RSI measures momentum by comparing recent gains to recent losses over 14 periods. It oscillates between 0 and 100. Above 70, the stock is overbought. It has risen too fast. A correction may come. Below 30, the stock is oversold. It has fallen too fast. A bounce may come. Between 30 and 70, neutral. The market is balanced. When RSI crosses the 50 level upward, it signals strengthening bullish momentum. Here is the RSI chart for Larsen Toubro Limited over 3 years. The red dashed line at 70 marks overbought. The green dashed line at 30 marks oversold. The current RSI reading is 46.5. RSI is in neutral territory. Momentum is balanced between buyers and sellers. Finally, MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence. MACD is built from the difference between a fast 12-period EMA and slow 26-period EMA. When the fast EMA rises above the slow EMA, a bullish crossover occurs. The signal line is the 9-period EMA of the MACD itself. The histogram shows the gap between MACD and signal. When bars are growing, momentum is accelerating. When bars are shrinking, momentum is fading. Crossover points often mark major turning points in the trend. Here is the MACD chart for Larsen Toubro Limited. Green bars mean MACD is above signal, bullish momentum. Red bars mean bearish momentum. Currently, the histogram is contracting. The MACD line is below the signal line. Bearish pressure is present. The MACD value is 103.31. Here is the complete technical summary for Larsen Toubro Limited. The stock has returned plus 79.9% over 3 years. RSI is 46.5 neutral. MACD is bearish. Price is above the 50-day moving average. The picture is mixed. Wait for a clearer directional signal before acting. Remember, this is math. Every number here has a formula behind it. Now, how do you automate these signals to maximize returns? The DHQ Conditional Trigger API lets you place orders automatically when exact technical conditions are met. No screen watching, no emotion, just math executing your strategy. Based on the current analysis of Larsen Toubro Limited, here are intelligent trigger setups you can configure right now. For AI, everyone is the same, but you watched the math, and now you know how to automate it. That is your edge. Like, share, and subscribe for more stock analysis.